Hello everyone, I just want to take this opportunity as I am editing this video to kind of show you this progress bar that you see here. So what this progress bar does is that it actually kind of, allow your viewers to know, at what stage the video is at. So as you are watching it, you know that how long more it has, and that's a clear way to kind of help in terms of engagement, because really when people see that, they are better able to gauge whether they are going to continue watching or not. And so this little tip is actually, this thing is something that I see a lot on Gary Vee's video. And what I like to do here, I just happen to be recording this with the thunderstorm here in Singapore. Yeah, so I just want to show you how it's done. It's actually very simple to do it. So basically what you do is first you want to create a shape. So on this software that I have, which is Camtasia, what I do is I go to annotations and I pick a basic shape. So I pick a shape like, for example, like this. And then I will scale it down to whatever size I want to and length. So so this is what it is actually. So this is what you see here. Now, how do you make this this red bar move as the video goes from start to finish? What you do is there is this function in Camtasia called animation. So when you click on animation, you will click on animations here, and what you do is you pick custom. All right, so what I want to do is I want the bar to not appear now, because at the timeline, at the playhead, the timeline here is 0. So when it comes to here, what I want it to do is I want this particular red bar to be all the way at the end of the video. So how I would do this is basically this. I will select this shape so that it's highlighted, and then I'll go to custom. So I go to animations, custom. I right click and I add to selected media, and what you see here is a little red dot. So just yeah, well, the thunder is a bit of thing. Anyways, so what you see here is what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this bar and I'm going to drag it all the way to the end. Okay, that's not done quite well, so I'm going to do that again. So again, select the shape, right click and add to selected media, and then what I'll do is the thunder thing is giving me this shaking hands. Okay, so I will click on this and then I will basically just move it all the way here. Okay, so once it's done, I will then click on this little red dot here and I would pull it all the way to the end of the bar. And so what you're gonna see is as the video plays, all right, as the video plays, you will see this bar moving. Okay, and by the time it comes to the end of the video, the bar is almost at the end there. So that's basically how you do it. I hope it helps, and let me know in the comments whether if you have tried it, and if you have and you have implemented for your video. Do drop your video link in the comments below, and I will take a look at it and I will leave a comment as well. Thank you, and bye-bye.